Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about graph databases with Amazon Neptune. In this lesson, we will dive into graph databases and explore Amazon Neptune and its features. I will elaborate on Neptune serverless and cover how to connect to the graph database. Then I will navigate to the AWS Neptune console and explain the main configurations. Lastly, we will interact with the graph database with Gremlin. A graph database is a type of database that uses graph structures to store and query relationships. It's designed for applications with highly connected datasets, such as social networking apps and recommendation engines. It represents data in a graph format with nodes, links, and properties. This structure allows for efficient querying and navigation of complex relationships. A node or vertex is an entity such as a person, product, or concept. A link or edge is a connection between vertices, such as friendship between two users in a social media application. Property is a key-value pair that provides additional information about nodes and links, such as timestamp about when users became friends. Amazon Neptune is a managed performant graph database service. Its features are similar to Amazon Relational Database service. It provides high availability through multi-AZ deployment that launches at least two database instances in two different AZs or data centers. Your data is redundantly stored across those AZs. When one of the data centers goes down, your database stays operational and its data is not lost. Neptune's storage grows automatically as needed and is self-healing. Disk failures are repaired in the background. Amazon Neptune provides better scaling with RAID replicas. A RAID replica is a copy of primary database that's used to offload read operations. You can scale up the database instance by increasing its CPU and memory size or opting for serverless option, which is scaled automatically by AWS based on the demand. When the primary instance goes down, AWS automatically promotes the RAID replica to a primary instance in a minute. You don't have to do anything on your application side. During failover, the database endpoint stays the same. It automatically takes daily backups, and users can get a manual snapshot when they need. You can create a global database that enables fast local reads with low latency in each region. A global database also provides disaster recovery from region-wide outages. All data in database are encrypted by default Amazon Key Management service. After launching the database, AWS provides monitoring metrics out of the box, such as CPU utilization, freeable memory, and the number of Gremlin queries. You can export audit and slow query logs to CloudWatch, analyze them, and take further automated actions with CloudWatch alarms. Amazon SageMaker is integrated with Amazon Neptune. You can train ML models using the graph database. Lastly, Neptune Analytics allows users to quickly analyze large amounts of graph data in memory to get insights and find trends. In serverless Neptune, AWS scales compute capacity up and down based on your application's need. The compute capacity is the Neptune Capacity Unit, or NCU, which provides 2 gigs of memory and proportional CPU and networking capacity. It's a cost-effective option for infrequent, intermittent, or unpredictable workloads. AWS provides a Jupyter Notebook instance that makes it so convenient to connect and interact with the graph database. The instance consists of a Jupyter Lab that allows users to run queries and Graph Explorer, which gives a graph visualization. The access to the database instance is managed through a security group and IAM. Unlike a relational database, there is no root username and password. VPC is a virtual private network in the AWS cloud. Neptune database is created in VPC. If you enable multi-AZ deployment, the RAID replica will be created in another AZ or data center. Data is replicated asynchronously. When the main database instance goes down, the RAID replica takes over Neptune is so performant and powerful and can deliver much higher throughput because it takes advantage of a shared cloud storage. A security group is a firewall where you define who can access to the cloud resource, such as Neptune database. Additionally, you can enhance the security by enabling the IAM authentication. The only way to authenticate the database is through the security group and IAM from the same network. You can provision a database instance for Neptune and pay hourly or choose the serverless option. The serverless Neptune pricing is not consumption-based like other services such as Lambda and API Gateway. You pay for the number of Neptune capacity units, and one Neptune capacity unit costs $110 a month. Plus, there are additional costs such as data storage, backup, and data transfer. The default Jupyter Notebook instance for communicating with the database costs about $40 a month. Hence, it's important to clean up or stop the database cluster and Jupyter Notebook instance when not needed. Apache Gremlin is a versatile and powerful graph traversal language used to communicate and interact with graph databases. It's similar to SQL in a relational database. It supports various graph databases and programming languages. Gremlin allows users to query effectively on complex graph databases with large datasets. Amazon Neptune also supports other graph languages such as OpenCypher and SparkQL.